Well, they finally came. I ordered these over a year ago, and I don't know if it was due to the virus or something like that, but Switch mod keyboards finally pulled through. Well, time to open Frost Witch keycaps. I forgot what they're called. But they're based off of Emilia from ReZero, which I don't even really like anymore. Alright. What do we have? We got a roll of cardboard. I guess that's how they use for packing peanuts these days. We got the packing slip, Frost Witch keycap set base. This thing costs 115 USD. Shipped from Minnesota. Nice, nice. Oh, I bought this in, jeez. I bought this thing in 2020 in, what, January, February, March, April, May? I bought this near June in 2020, and it started shipping in September, like now basically. It literally shipped, what day is it? It literally shipped like this month, I think like last week or something. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, okay, they got like some type of box. I have no idea what this says. It probably says like ReZero or something. Yeah, it probably says like ReZero, like, I don't know. Is this even a language? Well, they copied the style for sure. Oh my goodness, they got a nice little how do you open this thing? Cute looking box. Of course. Here's the goods. Frost Witch base. Yeah, don't give it to kids to eat. How does this thing focus, dude? Okay, great. Here, they came out all scrambled. First glance, everything looks super nice. Only weird thing is, I think, what is this? Yeah, I saw one of the pieces had some purple come off. Hopefully from nowhere important. I mean, at a glance, all the legends look super nice. Yeah, time to put everything together. So I managed to get everything sorted out for the most part. One thing I noticed was this up arrow here, or whatever arrow that is. Yeah, there's a little streak here. I tried to rub it with my finger and it wouldn't come off, so it's the paint job. Wasn't the best. And then also, I don't know if this is like because I'm American or something, but the underscore should be at the bottom, I think, and the hyphen / minus sign should be at the top. See how like the plus sign is at the top here? The minus sign should be right here. I guess whoever designed this doesn't really use math.